Okay, let me show you my setup. Basically what I did is I cut some 2x4s. I put two 2x4s together. That way there the tire will drop down in here. I can get you guys to see a better view of it. I just got so much crap in this garage here, it's really hard. Now, some of you might be having problems tilting your camera back like me. Now, and some of you might be having problems when you turn your bolt. On the 2013, it's 22 millimeter. Now, when I was turning this was turning too. So what you want to do is you want to get a spark plug socket. This is so rusted I can't even see it. But you want to turn the other end in, and you can stick it in there like that, and basically you hold it with a pair of pliers. You know, you just hold it like that, and that'll hold that from turning, and it works. And you crank the other side off, and you get it off. We're going to try now. Now, I didn't take my calipers off. I didn't unbolt the fender whatsoever. The calipers are on. We took the pinch bolts off. Okay. See if we can slide this bad boy out. Let me see, I need something to catch it. Or it's going to fall. Come on, the daddy. I don't know if any of you guys ever took it out. And when you install these, put just a little bit of grease on it. Okay. Now comes the money shot there, boys. Well, guys, I might have been wrong. I don't know what the hell it's hung up on, but apparently my idea didn't work. Apparently it did not work. It's out of the brake pads, so the brake pads aren't holding it. What the fuck is holding it? I guess I'm going to have to take my brake pads off. I'm going to have to back them out a little bit. Okay. I was hoping I wouldn't have to do this, but looks like I got to back these out a little bit. watch me wind up getting my tire stuck. I think it's actually hung up on one of the brakes, one of the calipers. One of my pads come out. Let me go to the other side. So you can't take the wheel off without taking these off. Lesson learned. Boy, I'll tell you, that's in there too. That is in there. And me with my stiff neck. Bad time to have a stiff neck. Yeah, that was really on it. That was just laying right up against it. Okay, now let's get in the front there. We'll slide this tire out. That'll be that. I still like my system. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take these rotors off. That way there, when I install my my tire, I'm not going to leave the I'm not going to put all the weight on the rotors. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get those calipers there. I'm going to put those calipers back on so that they're not hanging. But that's my little system here, guys. It works, you know. Okay, give me some feedback. Tell me what you guys think.